Hey guys, we're here at Ehsan's Vision of Unity and Peace, and we're going to show you his art gallery. He's been working on these paintings for about 20 years. He's done about 2,000 double-sided paintings that eventually are going to turn into a huge collage. So we're going to show it off, we're going to check out the gallery and learn about the man behind the art. Ehsan, how you
Brian,
doing?
welcome. Good to see you. Good to see you.
Brian,
welcome.
nice to meet you.
My wife.
Hi Christine. Nick, nice to meet you. Happy
Nick.
Friday, guys. Happy Friday.
Welcome. Welcome. Yes.
All right.
What I have to do is I create art to inspire global peace. What I mean by that is for the last 19 years, I've been on this project, a collection of 2,000 painting installation. When you put these 2,000 paintings together, you're going to turn to the world's largest peace painting. Everything that you see here is actually part of those fractions.
Yeah.
For example, this is one of those 2,000 paintings.
Yeah.
Abstract face, this called I See You. That's pretty much what this is called. You see the white stripe going on here?
Yeah.
Now just keep in mind, they're double-sided. This is the front side. Come on, let's look at the back side.
Yeah.
This is the back side. Everything that you see, every one of these paintings, when they're fully framed, they're going to be double-sided. We have the front side, and then we have the back side. Now, combination of abstract faces and country flags, when we put them all together, it's going to turn to this. This painting right here goes right here. Is this little square right here. When all of these abstract faces, when all of these countries become one unit, you will see the contemporary peace sign, you will see the ancient peace sign, the dove and the olive branch. That's what ultimately this message is about. It's called Vision of Unity.
Love it.
The whole message is, in order for us to move toward peace, global peace, is through oneness, through recognizing we are one human family. No matter where we're coming from, no matter what ethnicity, nationality, no matter what country you're coming from, religion, culture, doesn't matter. We are all connected. When we truly authentically recognize that, then peace is possible.
Okay.
This painting right here from the back side,
Yeah.
this goes right here. Is this painting right here. Infinite love covering planet Earth. When all of these planets, we look at the whole stars and solar system, they have existed in billions and trillions of years in harmony and peace. Why? Because they follow the nature. When humanity starts following its own nature, with the infinite, which is heart-based, we'll see peace in the planet.
What inspired you to come up with this and to decide to move that route towards peace and unity?
I was about 4 or 5 years old, born and raised in Sweden, and visited my grandparents' house in Iran.
Yeah.
And I remember one night, there were sirens and there were airplanes bombing the city.
Yeah.
That traumatic experience led me through this whole journey of asking what's going on.
Yeah.
Why? And then we look at the human history as the beginning till now, there's always been war.
Yeah.
Mass destruction, war, killing. It's just happening right now.
Yeah.
Right now, the conflict in Iran, all those chaos that is going on, the Ukraine, Russia war, and there's so many other things going on a consistent basis. And this is not something new. And that kind of led me to ask why, and that why gave me a lot of answers. And I said, forget about that, because it was quite depressing answers.
Yeah.
And that kind of led me to ask, is there a way that we can actually experience peace, global peace? And I thought, why don't I also be one of those artists that can contribute a few steps toward this message? And the message is so clear, oneness. We are one human family.
Love it. It's beautiful.
Thank you.
And so these paintings, this particular one that you've been working on has been this collage. It's been about almost 20 years now, but you've only got a few left before you're finished, right?
Yes, exactly. I started my parents' garage, was there for 10 years. And 2013, I had a lady, a benefactor, she invested on me, and we are here. I've been here almost 10 years, 11 years right now.
And the branch is what still needs to be completed.
So
exactly.
The olive branch that you're working on.
This is the logo of the big event. What I mean by that, the big event is actually the big walkthrough, the big display that we're going to do for the first time.
Yeah.
When speaking of Irvine Great Park, the conversation that I had with the mayor and the team, they're going to give us a land for us, a huge land, to lay it on the, display it on the ground.
Yeah.
And this is how we're going to look. Imagine that we walk between each one of them, and you can actually have an experience from the close hole.
Yeah.
What I mean by 2,000 of these paintings. This is the back side. They don't even have a map. This painting goes right here.
Yeah.
Now, the front side, when you look at it, this is a limited edition.
Yeah.
This painting goes right there. It's one of the last 14. And then when you look from the back side of it, this is the back side.
Beautiful. And then eventually, so this is the temporary installation.
Well,
that
come on
you're
over
doing.
here. So yes,
But the real vision behind what you're
Is
doing
this.
is right here.
the first version is the walkthrough, but this is what we want to build. We call this the monolith, the Vision of Unity and Peace Center. Not only are we going to have the size of the whole original, the underneath is going to be 5-level floor and structure, like a huge mall, like an auditorium, that people can go in there, any type of activities that inspire global peace.
Yeah.
From spiritual side of it, from a community center, from the goods and product services, from art, all of them, from music, everything. We have a huge programming that can actually people come over there, a sanctuary, a space that you can feel peaceful and you feel the oneness, unity.
Well, just to be able to get an idea of what this, like the magnitude of this is, I think you had said 40 stories high, right?
This is gonna be, well, the painting itself is about 17 stories.
Oh, okay.
It's about 17 stories. And with the framing and everything, probably about 20, the whole thing from bottom to top is about 25 stories.
Wow. So you could almost see this thing from space, potentially.
You could be,
Wow.
yes.
So this is almost, what it could be is Irvine's version of like our Eiffel Tower, right?
Yes, I talked to the mayor, and when I come across with Irvine people, I say, well, you guys have a beautiful balloon.
Yeah.
You have this beautiful grass and sport and fields and everything. Everything is really top of the notch.
Yeah.
But end of the day is generic. Everybody can build that.
Yeah.
Do you have an Eiffel Tower? Do you have a Statue of Liberty that will
Yeah.
put the city on the map? That's how they just got it. To see the vision. There's a lot of red tape. There's a lot of processes.
Yeah.
So they started saying, how about if we give you land, we create some excitement, and from there we just go to the next level.